After Srirangapatna, I came to Melukote, which is a beautiful place. Come, let's see what all the places to visit in Melukote. Initially started with the temple Yoga Narasimha Swami. This is the beautiful temple situated on the hilltop. In order to reach this place, you need to climb a hill. When climbing this hill during the monsoon or rainy season, the greenery around this hill makes this place very beautiful. Initially, you will get the smaller tomb, which is small gopura, while climbing the hill. While climbing to the temple on the hilltop, you can find beautiful sceneries around where you can click good landscape and nature clicks while climbing to the temple. On the way climbing to this temple on the hilltop, you will find Mandi Anjaneya Swami temple, as Anjaneya is resting on his Mandi. While climbing to the temple, you will find more number of monkeys. Please do feed them with bananas and feed them with the water as they are thirsty. After climbing the hilltop, you are welcomed with the biggest gopura. On the left side of the temple gopura, you will find the Ganapati Vigraha and beautiful carvings when you enter the Mahagopura. When you visit the devotional places, it's not about taking the selfies or making videography. It's about seeing the places and praying to the God. So please see the place and carvings that are made by our ancient people during those days. Please check the temple timings before you visit to that temple. There is a big Pushkarani nearby below temple and Akka Tangi Koda on the way to Rayagopura. These two ponds, which are known as Akka Tangi Koda, which is a beautiful place to take photos, as many of Sandalwood songs been shot at this place. The photography lovers can take n number of photos, as the view around this place is most amazing and beautiful. After seeing Akka Tangi Koda, I moved to Rayagopura, which is beautiful place in Melukote. Large number of South Indian and Bollywood movies have shot the video songs and fight scenes and many number of scenes for their movies at this place, as this place is very photogenic and videography makers will love this place for videography. It's not only about making the videography or taking the pictures. Please do check the intricate carvings that are made on the walls and pillars when you see this Rayagopura. It's our duty to safeguard and keep safe and keep the places and the idols without harm and damaging, but unfortunately our peoples are such a beepers where they damage and write their names on the stones on the carvings that are made way older during the centuries. The idols few we found that like they were damaged, but even today they stand very beautifully, telling the tales of those days. The top view from the Rayagopura is very beautiful during the sunset. And you can also see the Yoga Narasimha Swami temple on the hilltop from this place. I moved around this Rayagopura to check how beautiful it is, and I found that few of the pre-wedding photo shoots were done over here. After seeing others doing the videography, I too gave it just a try. As I mentioned previously, the sunset from this place is very beautiful and you should not miss the sunset from this place. After finishing the Rayagopura, I moved to Chalavanarayana Swami temple, but unfortunately, as I mentioned you previously, It was a bad timing of ours where the temple was closed, so I request you to check the temple timings before you visit to the places. With only little luck, we had luck to see the outside view of the temple, with which we winded up seeing the Melukote and moved to our next destination, that is Yediyuru. It's around 58 to 60 kilometers from Melukote to Yediyuru. This is a beautiful temple which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is a beautifully built temple which has smaller number of temples around the premises. We finished the darshan of the god by 8 o'clock to 8:10, and after that we left this place around 8:15, clicking few pictures around the temple, and it was a beautiful journey around 100 kilometers from Yediyuru to Bangalore. Hope you liked my video, so please subscribe to my channel and please share the channel with your friends for more beautiful temple and temple roundings. Thank you and meet you soon with another adventure.